Hello, my name is Grace Arhapos, and today we will talk about the importance of waste management on how we can turn trash into opportunity for people, communities, and the environment. First, let's talk about the global waste problem. Every year, the world produces over 2 billion tons of waste. By the year 2050, this will rise to 3.4 billion tons. Sadly, one third of this waste is mismanaged, ending up in open dumps or polluting our environment. In the Philippines, Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 sets the framework for managing waste. It requires segregation, recycling, composting, and proper disposal. Local government units are the key implementers, with communities expected to participate actively. And now let's move on to the different types of waste. The first one is the biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste includes food scraps and garden trimmings. Under Republic Act 9003, these should be composted or processed through anaerobic digestion. This reduces the load on landfills and produces fertilizer that benefits agriculture. Recyclable waste. Recyclables includes paper, plastic, glass, and metals. They are collected, sorted, and processed in recycling plants. Recycling saves energy, conserves natural resources, and reduces the demand for new raw materials. Next is the residual waste. Residual waste refers to the items that cannot be reused or recycled, such as contaminated plastics, styrofoams, candy wrappers, and sachets. These are managed to sanitary landfills or waste to energy facilities. However, their limited recycling options make them a continuing challenge. The last one is the special waste. Special waste includes hazardous waste, e-waste, and medical waste. These require safe handling and treatment. Some undergo controlled incineration or specialized treatment facilities to prevent harm to people and the environment. As students of Mindanao State University, we are expected to practice what we have learned. We can minimize waste by following segregation guidelines on campus, reducing single-use plastics, and supporting recycling and composting programs. As future science educators, our responsibility goes further. We must lead by example and include environmental responsibilities in our lessons, inspiring students and communities to adopt sustainable habits. By understanding the recycling process, we can all do our part to protect the environment and create a more sustainable future. And for the references, our information came from sources such as CleanHub and the Official Gazette for Republic Act 9003. Thank you for listening.